Hey guys, what is going on? I'm here with Chris. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna head over to the junkyard and pick up some parts for the broken Jeep. My original plan was to pick up the Dana 44A today, but we weren't able to get a truck. So what I'm gonna do is pick up some interior pieces that I need for the Jeep and then pick up the spider gear so we can get it running, just so that I can drive it around. And I'll probably go next weekend or the weekend after to pick up the Dana 44A, just because I want a stronger axle in the Jeep. So let's go ahead and shoot over there. All right, so we made it to the junkyard. This thing is huge. They usually have a good assortment of Jeeps here, so I'll show you once I find them. Oh look, I already see a Jeep. All right, so we got this Jeep here. This one's a quadra drive, so it's not the axle that I'm looking for, but let's check it out. Oh, it has the white gauges. That is sick. Not bad. It has leather seats. Driver's side's messed up. Oh, it has a disc changer. Sick. These things are super heavy when they don't have struts. Jesus. The rear seats are pretty clean though. Check that out. So this one doesn't have what we need, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep looking. Found another one. This one's in line 6. So, oh look, it has a clutch fan on there too. I don't have the tools to take that off though. They took the driver's side, but I really am a fan of these cloth seats. I feel like they look really good. And this one should be the Dana 35, and it's gone. Dana 35 is gone, so great. We found another one. I think this one's more intact, so let's see what it has. So this one has the 6-cylinder. That means it probably has what I need for the axle. Let's just see if the axle's there. Yes, it is. Damn, this is not bad. It smells like gas though. That one has what we need, so we'll probably take it out of this one. It smells like gas in here, dude. Oh, they threw a bunch of shit over here. Oh, this one actually has these headlights. Look at that. Sheesh. Oh, that's broken? That's hella broken. Damn, that sucks. Those would have been dope to take. Oh no, it's 2-wheel drive. Oh, look at that. It has the seat memory thing. Not bad. Oh, and it has these tail lights. I'm not a big fan of these, but it's better than the stock, that's for sure. We're checking this Jeep out and I found a subscriber, so that's dope. They're taking out a inline 6 gear piston. Oh, this is gonna be the victim. We're gonna take the gears out of this one and then we should be good to go. I did pick up the side mirror that I needed. Mine, I actually glued it because it broke. And then I got this piece here, this little cover. It goes in that area. So I think we should be good then. Alright, so I am trying to collect the oil so it doesn't just fall on the ground. But we got it cracked open. Damn, that looks clean too. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we're gonna take the pin out. Can you spin the tire? I can. Alright, so we got the pin out. Okay, we got one gear out. There's the shim. Okay. They have zip ties in the backpack you give me. They're on the side pocket.
Yep. Oh, these ones I gave you?
Yeah. Actually, I just took them from your house because I know I need them because they have shims. Alright, there's one. Let's get the other one out. Okay. Give me another 2 zip ties. Here's 2.
Like, nah, I just stole them.
Stole what? Oh, yeah. Well, I mean, because I know I would need them, so I was like, oh, I'll take them. I just didn't know how many I would need.
Oh, it was funny. You're like, nah, I just took them from your house.
All right, so we had to take an axle out so we could take out those 2 gears. Like always, I recommend Gorilla Grip gloves. These are my favorite. Okay, so you do have to take off the axle shaft, 4 bolts in the back, and use a puller and it'll come out. I had to use a hammer because I didn't have a puller, but we were still able to bring it out. Now we can take out this gear, Chris. And we should be able to pop the other side off. Let me get that. There we go. All right, so now we got all our gears. We'll get back and going. This one's not the greatest condition, but it'll work. So especially since I'm gonna upgrade the axle soon. Are you gonna end up taking it or not? There's another one over there, a white one that has a 6. Yeah, I got the parts out of there, so. Yeah.
You got the gears?
Yeah, I got the gears in here. Yeah, I'll see you later, man. Take care. Yeah. Hope you figure it out. You got it fixed. We got all the stuff.
Chris got injured.
Chris got injured. Oh, Chris actually pulled this out for the trailer hitch. I had the hitch, but no wiring, so thank you, Chris, and cutting yourself and getting injured. Yeah. Now it's time to go. So anyways, that was the day at the junkyard. There's a lot of Jeeps in here, a lot of parts, so that's a good thing about being in this area. And there's a bunch of junkyards around here too. Probably like 6, 7. I don't know.
Like 12.
Yeah, Chris is saying like, well, he used to work at these fixing the compressors. So there's a ton of them, a ton of Jeeps in each one too. So I'm glad I got the parts. Now I want to give a huge shout out to Fabian. I saw him here at the junkyard. He said he recognized me from the videos, so that was pretty cool. So huge shout out to you if you're watching. All right, so the pricing that everything came out to was $72, something like that. The Spider gears alone, if you buy them new, they're like $100. So here they were $15. That's worth it just to get me running for like a couple weeks until I get the new axle. I mean, for everything else that we got, I mean, the side mirror, the glove compartment, the trailer hitch wiring, $72 for all that. Solid. I'll see you guys in the next video where I install these. Peace.